72, 70. 68, 66, 64, 62, 60. 58, 56, 54, 52, 50. 48, 46, 44, 42, 40. 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. 28, 26, 24, 22, 20. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Count backwards, count backwards, count backwards by twos. Count backwards, count backwards. It's easy to do. Count backwards, count backwards, count backwards by twos. Count backwards, count backwards. It's easy to do.
All right, let's stop that video and play our next one. No, don't play that. I don't know why I get so excited about playing other things. All right.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's. Five fingers on my right hand, stretch to the left. Five fingers on my left hand, stretch to the right. Now stretch each hand up side to side. Use your body and your brain and exercise. And count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Hey, why don't you take your shirt out of your mouth and start counting?
5 toes on my right foot. Step to the left.
Your shirt can't taste that good.
On my left foot. Step to the right. Now lift each leg up, step up high. Use your body and your brain and exercise. And count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5 fingers.
Well, I'm getting a workout. Danny, just sitting there. Come on, girlfriend. There you go.
5 fingers on my left hand, stretch to the right. Now stretch each hand up side to side. Use your body and your brain and exercise. And count by fives. Exercise. And count by fives. If you like this video.
All right. Jack Hartman. We like that guy. He is wacky and we like him. Okay. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue our math. I hope you guys came prepared. I keep forgetting to remind you. Thank you, Elizabeth, for being prepared. Who is shouting? Oh, Max, can you mute your mic, please? I see Elizabeth's prepared. I see Miranda's prepared. I see Danny's prepared. I think Owen's prepared. He's usually got his stuff right there. Hi, Ashlyn. Hi, Troy. You guys are in the first grade meeting, but you are totally welcome to work along with us, okay? I love that. It's great practice. Jimmy, are you prepared? You have your stuff to do the problems? All right. We're going to do our word problem first. Uh-oh, Danny left the meeting. Danny, come back. I don't know where she went. She's gone. It says she's offline. Maybe her internet's being fussy. Okay, there were 5 students in the cafeteria, and we're going to do a number bond. And this time I'm going to make my number bond going a different direction, because remember, it doesn't matter which direction it's going as long as I have 2 little ones and 1 big one. All right, there were 5 students in the cafeteria. Some more students came in late. Now, there are 7 students in the cafeteria. So we've got to find that missing number for students that came in late. Hi, Danny. Good to see you again. We're going to write an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence in order to solve that. So we would say 5 plus how many equals 7. And then we could say 7 minus 5 equals how many? Equals our mystery number. All right, so this is the problem we need to do. So we can say 5, and we can say how many do I count up to get to 7? So we can go 5, 6, 7. Oh, thank you, Miranda, for doing it with me. Thank you, Danny, for doing it with me. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Max. Thank you, Troy. I saw lots of brains working with me. Good job. Pat your back. I hopped up too. I could also do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My number lines. I put all my number lines away. Silly me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I have my number line and I said I'm going to do 7 and I'm going to subtract 5, I'm going to start at 7. I'm going to hop backwards because I know my number gets smaller when I'm subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I forgot to. I'm getting all messed up on the computer. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I landed on 2. Just like when I counted up, I got 2. Very good. Oh, Miranda's got her number line to do that with me. Great job, Miranda. All right. So, oops, I'm erasing my problem. Miss Kennison, you've got all sorts of problems today. So my answer is 2. So I would write my answer in words. Also, I would say 2 students came in. 2 students came in. And that is the answer to my word problem. And I did it using addition. And I also did it using subtraction. Very good. Thank you who did that right. Thank you for those of you who did that right along with me. Nice work. Okay. Mrs. Jack, would you mind grabbing me a number line out of the cabinet? I just put them all away and then I realized I need one. Thank you so much. All right. I want you guys to write 6 minus 4 on your boards. Okay. Thank you. So we've got 6 minus 4. And if you have your number bond with you, I mean, not your number bond, your number line with you, We start at 6 and we hop backwards towards the 4 times. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I landed on the 2. I see fingers with the 2 on it. Very good. And if you guys were doing that at home with me, you'd also have landed on your number line on the 2 if we practice going backwards. What, Miss Danny?
I don't have those.
I gave everybody a number line in their packet at the beginning of the year, but you can always make your own or print your own, very easy, or you can just write one, just like I did at first when I didn't have my number line on the board. So that's a very easy problem to solve, okay? All right. Very good. We hop backwards by 4 on the number line to find the answer. Now what if we were doing this? 4 plus what? And find that missing number equals 6. 4 plus what equals 6? Well, we would start on our number line and we would count how many hops from the 4 it took us to get to 6. So we would go 1, 2, and we're at our target number. We're at the 6. It took us 2 hops. If I were to count up just using my fingers, I would have 4 in my brain. 4, and then I would just count up 5, 6. Both ways I get the answer 2. Look at you guys. You guys are great mathematicians, working hard, doing that work with me. Thank you so much. Okay. We're going to keep going. What, Max? Do you have a question? Great work. Thank you, guys. Thank you for showing me. Max, did you have a question?
Yeah. You
What's
have
your
2 boards?
Yes, I have 2 boards because that way if I need to write something really quick, I don't have to erase it. It makes my job a little bit faster sometimes. Or if I do things like I forget my number line, I can very quickly write another number line on here. Or sometimes I'll write stuff for the 2nd grade class on it to be ready for them. All right, we're going to do another one. I want you guys to write 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Thank you, Elizabeth. You may erase that, hon. Move on. I don't know. Maybe you're frozen. That's why it's still stuck up there. 8 minus 5. It should look just like mine. It should look just like mine. Very good. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, everybody who's writing that down very quickly. Okay, honey, you have an Owen, that's going to be very confusing because you have 6 minus 4 equals 2 equals 5 minus 8. So get rid of that equal sign in the middle. That's very confusing because 6 minus 4 equal 2 does not equal 8 minus 5, okay? They are not equal. They do not equal the same thing. All right, and we are going to practice. And remember, when you see a subtraction problem, you can always add instead. How could I turn this into a how could I turn this into an addition problem? Who knows? Who knows how I can turn this into an addition problem? Anybody? What did I do last time? Jimmy? Thank you for being so brave.
8 minus 5 equals 4.
Okay, so hold on. I didn't want you to solve it yet. What I want to know is how do I turn my subtraction problem, 8 minus 5, into an addition problem? You can still think on that. Don't worry. Does somebody else know? Max, did you know? Okay, that's okay. So we would say 5 plus what equals 8. We're still going to use those same numbers that we have. And right now we have 5 plus our mystery number equals 8. That's how we would turn our subtraction sentence into an addition sentence. Owen, you have a question?
I know the number at the top. I know the answer.
Okay, hold on to it. Just keep that in your brain. Okay? So we're going to do that using our number lines. Okay? So we're going to do our addition problem. 5 plus what equals 8? So we're going to start at 5. Owen, just put it down. Don't worry right now. Okay, keep it in your brain. Thank you. If you have your number line, get it out and do it with me, okay, Owen? All right. Start at 5. Jimmy, do you have your number line? Okay. So follow along. Do this with me, okay? Start at 5, and we're going to count till we get to 8. So we're going to go 5, and we're going to count how many hops it takes us to get to our target number 8. We go 1, 2, 3. 3 hops. 3 hops. And just if I counted up and I went 5, 6, 7, 8, I get 3. Now, if I do the subtraction, 8 minus 5, I would start at 8 and I would count how many it takes me to hop to 5, hop backwards. So I would go 1, 2, 3. Did I get the same answer each time I did it? Yes, I did. And I know that was the answer some of you guys got. Elizabeth, make sure that your plus sign looks like a plus sign. It gets up and down like this. If you put it sideways like that, that's actually a multiplication sign. And that's very tricky because that's what you'll do in 3rd grade, okay? And you'll get very, very different answers with addition and multiplication. But both ways with my subtraction, 8 minus 5 equals 3, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. I'm using the same 3 numbers. Right over here, these 2 numbers, the 5 and the 3, become the add-ins over here. Miranda, did you turn off your camera? Or is your internet just being, oh, no, sorry. It was Max, I think. Anaya, somehow you've opened 2 tabs now with the meeting in both of them. All right. Okay, let's do one more. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Now remember, we can use an addition problem to solve also for our subtraction problem. So we would use these 2 numbers in addition. We would say 2 plus our mystery number that we don't have yet, plus what equals 9. And that's how we would use addition to solve for our subtraction. Okay. So when we are solving them on our number line addition, we hop this way. Our numbers get bigger. Subtraction, we go this way. Our numbers get smaller. So if we start with subtraction and count, we say 9 minus 2, so we make 2 hops and see what we land on. We start at 9 and we go 1, 2. I landed on 7. Right? Now let's do addition. We'll say 2 and we'll count how many hops it takes us to get to 9. So we'll start at 2 and we'll stop at 9. We'll count how many hops.
No.
Can you mute your mic, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took us 7 hops to get to 9. So both ways I have 9 minus 2 equals 7, or I can do 2 plus 7 equals 9. Very good. So you guys are going to be solving today. You're going to be solving problems like 6 plus what equals 10. And you say, okay, if I start at 6, how many hops does it take me to get to 10? Okay, if I start at 6, how many hops? And you go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me 4 hops to get to 10. So my answer would be 4. Okay. Do you have a question, Miranda? Or are you just showing me, you're just agreeing with my answer and saying 4? Okay. Very good. All right, our first graders, kiss your brains. Kiss your brains, first graders. Very good. You guys have a wonderful day. We won't have our afternoon meeting, I think. First graders?
6 plus what? Was it 6?
Well, let's do the work again. 6, and let's count how many hops. It says 6 plus what equals 10. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 hops. So 6 plus 4 equals 10.
We want an
All right. Sorry, I got a little.
more equals.
So, first graders, did you guys have art this week?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess Miss Civils is doing an art meeting, so you guys can go to your art meeting. But second graders, you guys had library, and you're not having an afternoon library meeting, okay? And we are not having our afternoon science meeting. So goodbye. Have a wonderful day. I will see you on Monday.